Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about Reddit. Now Reddit is an excellent place to get traffic back to your own products and services, but only if you do it in the right way. Now there's thousands of communities in here, there's lots of different niches, so there's always going to be an audience for the kind of thing that you want to go ahead and promote. But again, you've got to do it in the right way, guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you the right way to do this and give you some tips and tricks, and also show you how you can find the right kind of communities for you so that you can go ahead and add value to those communities. Now you can see Reddit is a huge website. They get about 1.6 billion visitors every single month. It's around 50% of the folks come from the US. But the most exciting thing for us really is that either get people from direct linking into Reddit or they're searching for things. So if you can actually put valuable content within here, Reddit is a great place for it to show up on search engines like Google. And this is where the power of this comes in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the website and I'm actually going to show you how to go ahead and find these various communities. Now guys, if you want to go ahead and pick up our free action plan below, on step 9 of that action plan there's actually a full section on free traffic sources. So this is going to be one of the videos I do on Reddit. There will be other traffic sources that I will go through in the future, but if you want to go ahead and learn about them now, go ahead and grab that action plan and all the information will be there for you. Okay guys, so I'm over on Reddit now. First things first, make sure when you're using a site like Reddit that you're having fun on this site and you're actually engaging with people and creating a lot of value for them and really contributing to the various communities that are on Reddit. It's very important, and if you don't want to do that, I wouldn't even bother watching this video, because what I'm going to advise you is to actually be part of the community and not come along and just spam any kind of links on here. Now what I'm going to do is show you how you can find various communities within your niche, and you can go along and actually find the kind of folks that are interested in the same types of things as you are and actually contribute. Now basically, if you've never been over to Reddit before, go ahead to reddit.com and sign up, create an account. Usual stuff for making a profile, guys. You'll need a picture, a little bit about yourself, and then create a actual profile. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to jump into my own profile in a minute, and then I'm going to show you some searching. But just overall, the way that Reddit works is it's a series, well, it's actually thousands of communities in lots of different niches. And some of these communities and topics are massive. And, you know, you've seen Reddit a lot in the news, especially recently. And some of these communities are quite powerful and massive. And we want to find folks that are in the same kind of communities as us that would be interested in our goods and services, right? So whether you've got a blog, whether you've got a YouTube channel, this is a great way to advertise yourself, but you've got to do it in the right way. So come along here, grab your profile. I'll actually jump into mine and I'll show you how to start searching for various communities. Okay guys, so I'm over in my own profile here, Rich Darbo it is. If you want to go and follow me on Reddit, please do. What you'll see here is some karma points. These karma points are just a reflection of some upvotes that I've had throughout the years I've been on Reddit for various types of posts. So it's kind of likes on Reddit, and it just shows people that you do engage with people and you do provide value. Okay, the other thing here, you'll see this get coins piece. It's slightly off topic, but they have introduced a way that you can monetize people who actually contribute towards Reddit and the various subreddits. Now you can go ahead and grab some coins here and then just give people coins. Okay, now what you have here, basically all of the communities are known as subreddits, and you'll see r/ whatever the community name is, and really it's a series of topics, right? And that's the way that they actually build it out. So when you first come over, it looks a little bit imposing, a little bit busy, but once you get into it, it is quite, you know, easy to kind of navigate around. Left hand side here, you'll have the home section. You'll have various types of ways that you can go ahead and find your communities. There is some Reddit feeds here. You've got a home feed, a popular feed, all top communities. They're the various feeds with these types of communities on there. Then you'll have the actual communities that you're a member of. So I'm a member of quite a lot of communities these days, and I actually go ahead and contribute to as many of them as I actually can. Okay, so this is the way that Reddit actually is laid out. Now your main pieces on here when you're first getting going is searching up there for your various keywords, the communities that you're interested in, and if you want to go ahead and post, you actually go ahead and create a post here. Now if I just go create post here, you come into here, you can see the community you want to post into, so whatever communities you're a member of you can post into, and then you just create your post. and you can have images and videos, links, or you can have posts. I do quite a lot of YouTube videos on here because I'm on YouTube, and I actually share them off to Reddit as well. So that's the way that you actually would post. If I just go back to the main community page, I want to show you how to find communities in your own niche. So if I just come up here and I look for a keyword that's within your own niche, okay? So let's just say, I don't know, keto diets, and then basically you need to search on keto diets. Now what that'll do is it'll give you a few suggestions for overall keto diet communities here and users. And basically you can just expand that, and you can go through here, and this is where you can go ahead and join various communities that have that keyword in them. So if I just go to, say, this one, our keto progress, go ahead and I'll click on this, then I'll be in their own subreddit, and this is where I can start looking at the various posts within this subreddit. Okay, now the main thing is here, when you first come over to community, look on the right hand side and look at the about community section, how many members they've got, how many people are online. You can create a post here, obviously, and then you look at like-minded communities as well. So this is a great way. Once you get into this, you can start looking at other subreddits that have a similar type topic. Okay, then you come down here, and on this one I don't see any community guidelines, so I'm going to find one that's actually got community guidelines on here for you to see. Okay, so I jumped over to a different keto recipe community because I wanted to show you this about community section. So this about community gives you an overall description of the community, tells you how many members are here, tells you how many people are online. Well, this is the piece you want to be very, very respectful of when you're looking at these various communities. Look at their rules. Now this one has posts require a complete recipe, all recipes must be keto friendly, add appropriate flair to every post you submit, do not deliberately misuse post flares, e.g. posting a steak recipe and labeling it as vegan. Be polite. Recipes must be given plain text. Keep requests specific. Photos must be prepared recipes. So this one is obviously very specific to this particular niche, and they don't want people actually putting the wrong type of information in here. But some of the actual communities we'll visit have very strict guidelines around the types of things you're supposed to be posting, and don't allow you to actually post links into the communities. And I'm going to show you some good examples of that so that you can be very wary of what can you actually post in these communities. So I just did a search on blogging, and I want to see what the rules are on this particular blogging subreddit. And again, you tend to find there is more rules on anything to do with blogging or affiliate marketing or anything to do with making money online. There is quite a lot of rules. So if I was into blogging, right, and I wanted to come along here and I wanted to contribute to this community, I look at these rules. So your account must be at least 3 days old. They're looking to make sure there's no spam in here. Self-promotion and vague articles are not allowed. Affiliate links are not allowed. Advertisement required prior mod approval. Feedback requests, posts outside the thread are not allowed. So once you understand the rules of any platform, you can come through here and start looking at the various posts. And what you're looking for really is questions or posts that you can contribute something to. Now in that way, you're adding value to the actual post overall and the community, and you can get people over to your own products and services if they visit your profile. Now that's where you can actually have the links over to your various videos or your various blog posts on your own profile once you post in your own community, not on somebody else's. Now you might think, well, that's going to be quite tricky, but once you do start contributing regularly to these platforms, people get to know you, people get to understand you're not just going to spam them, and they will come over to your own profile and click off. So what you need to do is find this type of question here. What is the niche you blogging? So if I come here and just click on this, I can come here and start looking at all of these different answers. And what you do is you start a conversation. So somebody here is saying, health and fitness after seeing so much misinformation. I love that niche. Coffee. Interesting is the whole thing about coffee. What they're doing is they're trying to obviously get some kind of conversation going around various niches. Okay. Now, if you come in here and you can actually start contributing, people are upvoting these, so you're getting your karma points, then you start getting a presence within this particular niche or this particular subreddit, okay? So if I want to try and have a look at Be Active is Easy, they got their own profile here. You can see that it's 532 karma, they haven't been on here long. you can come on here and have a look at their own posts. So I can go and actually look at the post section here, and I can see all the various posts that they've made. And you can see here they have got links to external sites. So you can go ahead and click on this external site and it brings you off the platform. So that's where you can actually link through to external sites, is when you're doing your own posts within your own profile, not somebody else's. So basically the idea is to look at your own niche, figure out the types of keywords within that own niche. So let's look at affiliate marketing, which is the niche that I'm in. Look at the subreddits with the most members in. You really want a good few members in the subreddits to make sure they're active. 75,000 members. I'm already joined onto this one. And basically you can go ahead and ask these questions. So site like ClickBank, I can come in here now and literally Digisaw 24, you've got Warrior Plus, you've got all sorts of sites like ClickBank. I can come in here and literally start answering these types of questions, and then folks will go, well, what's this guy all about? And I'll come over to my profile, and on my own profile then I'll have lots of different videos on there, lots of different training content, and then you might get interested in me and come over to my own products and services. So that's the main way you do this. Now, just one quick thing to finish with. You can put your links in some subreddits. Now, I'll give you two examples, but I'm not encouraging you to have this as your main way that you try and drive traffic, but they are allowing you to just post your links in here. So one of the examples is something called Shameless Plug. Now, if I just come in here and show you Shameless Plug, 39,000 members, and you can come in here and basically plug your projects in here. So if you've got something good to share in here, you can just go ahead and plug it straight in here. Why am I not advising this as your first tactic? Because this is very untargeted. These 36,000 members could be in all sorts of different niches, and you're going to have a lot less chance of people actually being interested in your own product and service. But there is a community like that. The other one is small business, where you can actually come in here and start posting all your different businesses in here for people to come along and maybe be interested in. And what they do is they actually feature one every single week, and you might get some traffic from that. But the likelihood is, if you're just trying to spam some affiliate marketing product in here, it's not going to work, guys. You need to be providing value for Reddit to ever get you any kind of real traffic. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. Just come along to Reddit, start searching around for those communities, join them and provide value, and you will soon see a lot of traffic. It definitely works for me, and it can work for you too. So guys, if you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell. I will be doing more videos that show you some free traffic sources. And if you haven't picked up our action plan that tells you how to build a business online, go ahead and pick that up at the School of Nomads. You'll see it in the link in the description below, and I'll see you next time.